Anna Edify welcomes you. 10 study tips for exam preparation. One. Prepare balanced schedule for study. Two. Organize your study space. Three. Organize study groups with friends. Four. Practice on past exams. Five. Use graphs, charts and diagrams. Six. Involve your friends for solutions. Seven. Take intervals. 8. Drink plenty of water. 9. Take care of your food. 10. On exam day, don't hassle, relax and be confident. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.